Hey there, welcome to Web Community. In today's video, we are going to see how could you install Burp Suite Professional in your Kali Linux as a Java version. First of all, if you haven't downloaded the license key, then please watch my previous video which you may can see here on the I button or I will link it in the description. Now, after you have downloaded the Burp Suite community or the professional version, now I have this website. I will link this website in the description. Now click on download and download it. As I have downloaded it earlier, I am not going to download it. Now go to your terminal. Wait a minute. Then check your version of Java. For that, click Java slash version. Then hit enter. As you may can see, it is 11.0.11. Your Java version should be between 8 to 14. As my it is between 9 to 14, it is okay. Then after that, you have to run a command named as apt apt slash get install open jdk slash 8 slash jre. Then hit enter. Then after that, you have to type ls. I have downloaded it and save it in the downloads, so I'm going to go to that page by typing dow downloads, then ls. As you may can see, Burp Suite Professional Java version here. Then you have to type chmod space u plus v not x space, and then copy this Burp Suite Pro Java version and paste it here and hit enter. As you may can see, it is successfully executed. If you are not a root user, then you have to use sudo at first, like this. After that, you have to run this command dot slash and again paste this Burp Suite Pro VR 2021.6.2 jar, and there you go. Your Burp Suite has started to be installed. Your Java version is 11 from Debian has not been fully tested on the platform. Okay, I'm not going to see it and hit OK. It may take some time. Let us wait for a while. As you can see, the Burp Suite. Now we have to set up the Burp Suite Professional. So click on I accept. Then you have to give the license key here. As I have already downloaded the license key, I'm going to give it. If you do not know how to get the license key, then please watch my previous video on how to get a license key for Burp Suite Professional, which I have link on the I button and in the description. Then after pasting this, go to next. then go to manual, then copy this request. First copy the URL and paste it here. Then go to the Burp Suite and copy the request and paste it here. Then you may get an activation response. You have to take it, copy, and then paste it here and hit next. As you may can see, we have successfully installed the Burp Suite professional version for free of cost for 1 month. If you want it for another time, you may can generate another email and get another 1 month free Burp Suite professional. Okay. Now in next video I will tell you how to do you configure this to your machine, your website or browser, and how some these tools work. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.